To set up your real estate sign, begin by inserting the metal frame into the ground. Push the frame in using the vertical poles to avoid bending the horizontal poles. You may use a rubber mallet on the vertical poles if the ground is hard. Now, grab your signs and place them into the frame. The larger sign slides into the top of the frame and the rider slides into the bottom of the frame. Locate the holes on the frame and the holes on the signs. There will be 4 holes on the larger main sign and 2 holes on the rider where plastic push screws will be inserted to secure the signs to the frame. Each plastic push screws have 2 halves. One half will have a screw and the other half will have a hollow tube. Just place one half through the hole and the other half on the opposite side of the hole and push together as shown. Insert each plastic push screw into each hole in the frame and lock them into place. The screws can also be removed to change out the sign or to store the sign away when needed. We recommend using a flathead to help remove the plastic push screws. Your real estate sign is now set up.